We got these 2 steamer baskets for the Instapot. It says here that they're a 6-quart and an 8-quart compatible. It says cook healthy and it says dual purpose. And then the box shows you all the cool stuff you can cook on there. We're gonna go ahead and put some crab legs in there. We got some good crab legs here. We're gonna put them in the steamer basket. One of the really nice features about these steamer baskets is they have a handle, so you can just lift them right out of the steamer pot like that. So that's really nice. Yeah, so you can just pick the steamer basket up and you can just set it right in your Instapot. Look at that. That looks nice. It fits in there really good. Yeah, look at that. This is really nice. They're not sitting in the water. So if you have something that you don't want soaking in the water, especially like your vegetables, you want to steam them, you don't want to boil them. So this is really nice. You can see down there, the water's right below the steamer basket there. So yeah, this is a really good way to steam your vegetables or to steam your crab legs. All right, we got it in the Instapot, but we crammed a lot of crab legs in there. Will it fit? See if the lid fits on there. There we go, we got it. Yeah, so if you try this basket out with some crab legs, make sure you don't overfill it. It's hard to do though with those crab legs. You want to put as many in there as you can. All right, it looks like it's done. Let's see how easy it is to take it out of the pressure pot. All right, let's open it up. There they are, look at that. But before we grab that little handle, we're gonna get a hot pad. A lot of steam coming out of there. All right, let's see how it does there. Look at that. You can just pick it right up with your hand. And then all the water's down there in the pot. You can just put it over your lid. All right, there you have it. There's the Instapot basket. Pretty nice. It did a really good job. It says here the small mesh basket is perfect for steaming individual servings or small meals. And then it says the large mesh basket used for large portions of vegetables, fish, and more, which we did. We used them for crab legs. So yeah, if you wanted to cook a couple different things in here, they'll just sit on top of each other like that. And then you could have some different veggies down here. Like I'm thinking if you did some, if you wanted to make mashed potatoes and steam some carrots, you could do your carrots on top and then your potatoes on the bottom, or vice versa. So yeah, this thing's really versatile. But we're just using it to cook up some crab legs today.